In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Connecteam. Before you begin, there's one important thing to understand. Completely deleting a Connecteam account and stopping future billing can only be done by the account owner. So if you're logged in with an admin or employee profile that doesn't own the account, you may not see the options needed to finish this process. Start by going to the Connecteam Launchpad and signing in to your admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look for your avatar or profile icon, usually found in the upper area of the screen. Click on it to open the account menu, then go into Settings. From there, open Billing and select the option that says Cancel My Subscription. This is the key step for ending the paid service properly. Canceling the subscription tells Connecteam that you want billing to stop, and in most cases, the cancellation takes effect at the end of your current billing cycle rather than immediately. That means you may still have access until the cycle finishes, so keep that timing in mind if you're planning around renewal dates. After canceling the subscription, the next part is clearing out your company data. This includes removing the information stored in the account, such as users, forms, and any features or content you previously added. The goal here is to make sure the system no longer holds your company's active data. If your account contains multiple areas of content, take a few moments to review them carefully so nothing important is left behind. Before deleting anything, it's a good idea to make sure you've saved any records you may need later. Once data is removed, it may not be easy to recover, so double check that you no longer need schedules, forms, user details, or other account materials. To recap, the process is simple, but important to do in the right order. First, sign in to the Connecteam Launchpad as the account owner. Then open your avatar menu, go to Settings, then Billing, and choose Cancel My Subscription. After that, delete all company data from the account, including users, forms, and features, so your information is fully cleared. By following that sequence, you can make sure your Connecteam account is properly shut down and that billing is stopped according to the platform's cancellation terms.